Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform a hard reset to recovery mode on OnePlus Nord CE5. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time. And you can let go of power button when you see your logo on your screen. And from here you have to select your language and then press power button, and now select format data. And you have to enter your verification code and then click format. And now you have to wait. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform full setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.